In a small village nestled between emerald hills lived an old sailor named Tom. He was renowned for his wisdom and kindness, often helping the village with his vast knowledge of the seas. A peculiar item always hung around his neck, an ancient brass compass whose needle never stopped pointing north. To the villagers, it was a symbol of guidance and direction. One misty morning, a young man named Jack approached Tom. Jack was frustrated with the direction his life was taking and felt he was wandering aimlessly, despite his many attempts to find a purpose. Seeing the despair in Jack's eyes, Tom decided it was time for a story. Years ago, Tom himself had been a restless sailor, constantly searching for new adventures, yet feeling an inner void. One stormy night, lost and disoriented in uncharted waters, Tom discovered the brass compass in an old chest deep within his ship. It was covered in barnacles and had clearly seen better days, but it called to him. To his surprise, once he cleared it, the compass pointed north with unwavering certainty, guiding him home safely. But the compass did more than show direction. It taught Tom patience and determination. It was a reminder that even in the roughest seas, there was always a way forward if one stayed true to oneself. Intrigued by the story, Jack asked if he could borrow the compass to find his own direction. Tom smiled and handed it over, but with a warning: the compass's magic was not in its needle but in the belief and perseverance of the one holding it. Jack, holding the compass tightly, embarked on a journey of self-discovery. He explored new places, met various people, and faced numerous challenges. Each obstacle he encountered was a lesson in disguise, and with each lesson, Jack felt more attuned to his path. Months later, Jack returned to the village, not the same boy who had left. He had found his true calling and was fulfilled and confident. He returned the compass to Tom with gratitude, realizing that the real magic had been within him all along. Tom placed the compass back around his neck, smiling knowingly. The village regarded Jack's transformation with awe and respect, understanding finally that true direction comes from within. The compass was but a tool to awaken it. Thus, the tale of the lost compass became a parable for all in the village. Life's direction and meaning are not given but earned through perseverance, determination, and the courage to face the unknown. The end.